Hello.
Hi guys, today I am gonna do a sunset look. Have you ever done a sunset look before?
No.
Okay.
I always wear my makeup simple.
Okay.
Foundation, shape my eyebrows, mascara, keep it going. No color.
You do a pretty good job with your brows. You get the Instagram baddie that I cannot get. Honestly.
So this is a dip.
Yeah, it's a pomade. People rave about it. I like it. It's okay. That's what. Oh, you're looking good. I'm gonna go. You have a whole empire on your face with those brows. How are we looking? Can you see? And not quite shaped yet. I'm just using an angle brush and going underneath the brow. So.
Oh, I'm going on a date, guys. I'm actually so excited. It's nothing that I set up. He took it upon himself and put it together.
That's kind of very romantic. It is romantic.
You think so?
Yeah, I wish a guy would take the initiative and plan to hold it for me.
That word just kind of scared me.
Yeah, what? Romantic? You are scared.
Because that means serious.
Nah, and what's wrong with that?
A lot.
You should enjoy it.
Yeah.
Why not? A queen should be treated like a queen, right? Yes or no?
Si, mi amiga.
So you want to tell the audience how we met? Our relationship story?
Well, we were neighbors. And I guess we really never spoke with one another. It was just like hi in passing. Do you know you're supposed to let like one of your neighbors know, hey, can you just keep an eye on my house or something? Did you know that?
Well, yes, if on the regular circumstances, if I
Well,
knew my neighbor.
She had left and had some packages just sitting at her door for days. I was like, okay, let me just take them in the house. And then finally she made it home and was in panic mode because your packages wasn't there.
Right. And my cousin was like, I sent you a package all the way from Florida. It said you received it. And I'm like, no, I wasn't even here. How am I going to receive it? And then...
And the whole time they was in my apartment.
Right. And then she's like, oh, you're here. Walking her dog.
What was it?
It was a bag.
A
purse.
A whole purse?
I
could have been a sketchy neighbor and kept that purse. Which one was it?
It was a Coach. But you were awesome, and I was so appreciative. I was very, very grateful. So that's kind of how we started. So when we do the brows first, I feel like we have a guide. You can see here. Everything looks nice and uniform. Boom. Urban Decay, Born to Run. This is one of like the most popular ones. I think this came out in 2018. Very pretty. So I'm gonna go in with this Stranded. No, it's Baja shade from the palette, and I'm gonna go in her crease. And I always wanted to do her eyes because she has the biggest, most beautiful eyes, and she just simply does her a standard neutral look. And this is still kind of neutral if you think about it, because it's orange and it's complementing her skin pretty well. Just going back and forth in the crease, because Sheree's crease is almost like undefined, I would say, because her eyes are so big, they just go up this way, so you have a lot of room to work with, which is really nice. You could make a crease, or you could just go as low, as high as you want. So that's nice. I got options, girl. Options. See, we have a lot of room to work with. Fire.
Bam.
Bam. Keep it close.
I'm trying to make them twins.
Mm-hmm. The crease has to be cut like twins because I'm gonna put Saturn from the Anastasia palette. I'm gonna use that because it's a lighter orangey one as compared to the one I applied earlier. And we're just gonna pack it on. Still using matte. Ooh-wee. I'm just going in the outer corner, intensifying it a little bit, not too much. You're looking cute, Sheree.
Thank you, girl.
Close. We're gonna use La Base Pro. This is like original Lancome primer.
Yep, it is.
Since it's so hot, because it's still very much summer, we're not gonna go with a lot of makeup. Just enough so we can get a nice base. Foundation to work.
What brush is this?
Morphe M439. Yeah. Concealer. You look crazy, but it's all good.
They always wet.
Mm-hmm. You should always have it somewhat damp. It just blends it better, you know? Look at that.
I didn't know that.
Mm-hmm.
I've never used them.
Oh. But your face is pretty nice. You don't need much. Don't need much.
You don't need much.
Set it and forget it. I have a nice, just applying some Raisin by MAC Cosmetics. This is like a chocolate girl best friend. I don't think you wear much blush, right?
I do not.
Let's see how pretty that looks on you. See how pretty. And I'm just using a clean brush and just going over it.
I knew you probably had Whirl over here. Is this my Whirl?
No! She's trying to steal my makeup. This is my world. I haven't taken on anything. This the defined lip, y'all. The perfect guide. The perfect guide. Open up a little bit. You can go with a lip pencil brush. And you just go like this. Definitely helps.
What liner did you use?
It was Chestnut
Okay.
by MAC. The only one I really use. You're looking good. Blossom. Awesome blossom. Let me spray you, give you a little bit of moisture. This is the Morphe setting, continuous setting mist.
Now, highlighter is one thing I usually don't ever do.
Highlight.
Mm-mm.
Turn this way. Yep.
On my mama, on my hood, I look fly, I look good.
Them brush make a difference. They make a difference. I learned that technique from Jacqueline Hill. Don't be scared. It just defines the contour a little more because now you really see it, you know? Make sure you line you. Not the finished look. I mean, if you don't have a pencil, you just go in with the shadow. It does the same thing. So this is actually better just because it gives you a more smoky effect. How are we looking?
We cute, girl.
This will be $500, ma'am. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this look, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.